Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to draw something tiny, cute and full of smiles. A little elephant, super easy to draw. No stress, no perfect lines, just fun shapes and happy drawing. So grab your pencil, relax your hand and let's draw our little elephant friend together. Ready? Let's start. Okay guys, so while we draw we have short story. As we draw the round head and big ears, imagine a little elephant who think I am too small to be strong. But one day it helped. A tiny bird reached its nest using its short trunk. Everyone clapped and smiled. The little elephant learned that being small does not mean being weak. It means being kind. And with every line we draw, our elephant becomes happier and more confident.
Step one, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step two, get some good, some food in you. Step three, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step four, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
And look at our adorable little elephant. So cute, so simple and full of love. If you enjoyed drawing with me, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy and cute drawings. Comment below and tell me what animals or character we should draw next. Until next time, we keep drawing, keep smiling and stay creative. Bye bye. Bye bye.
They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts.